Hey everyone, it's Crystal. I hope everybody had a great holiday. I know New Year's is coming up and everybody's trying to wind down. I thought I'd try and get one or two videos out before the end of the year. I know this is going to be one of them. It's the third redraw of all three of the flowers, and then the other one will be the Akatsuki rainbow pot or bowl. I'm sorry. That one is pretty much done. I just need to get the video together and edit it, and hopefully I'll get it out before the end of the year. I know I'm running out of time and it's getting kind of crazy. And I have a few other projects I'm getting ready to start as well. But those are going to be for after the new year. I've kind of sat down and tried to make a plan of how to get these videos created. I know I'm going to do the cat video, the samurai cat, at least, hopefully once a week, if not, every other week at the most. I know it's taken a long time, but at the same time, it takes a long time for me to sketch some of this stuff. I'm not really classically trained in any of this, drawing stuff. I know a lot of people, they can just sit there and just put what they have in their mind, translate that directly onto the paper, and with no issues. Me, it takes a little bit of time because I like to make sure that it's exactly what I was envisioning. And also, I need to kind of pick up more sketching skills. I probably need to start doing what most people do is sit down with a sketch pad every night and just draw and keep practicing because that's the only way I'm going to get better and get it right on the first time and get things done faster. But that just it just takes practice and patience. Patience is a hard thing to do, and I try to echo that with everything that I create. Well, starting in January, I'd like to start getting more one-day builds, kind of like some of the other YouTubers on uh, that way. It's for those people who just want to watch a video from start to end, full project. The only problem with that is you cut out so much of the process, and some of these take, a good 2 or 3 weeks to get done. But I guess if that's what the people want. But this samurai cat is not going to be a short, video. I think once I'm done, I'll do like a 10-minute start to finish video. But as far as each process, I mean, I still have a lot to do. I need to finish up drawing, and I need to come up with a little poem or something to put in a little box up there as a, just to kind of finish out the piece. Then I need to round all the edges and draw over the curve, if that makes any sense. I guess I'll have to show it in a video so everybody knows what I'm talking about. The drawing is actually going to extend around the painting onto the backside. It's a part that nobody's ever going to see unless you pick it up and look at it. But it's I feel like it really kind of completes the look. It gives it that dimension as well. And hopefully, as soon as that's done and I have all the drawings and everything completed, I can start doing the wood burning. That's the part where it goes a little bit quicker, but the sometimes I had to go back and I guess erase the wood burning, which is not as easy as just using a pencil and eraser. So, and then after that, I'm just gonna go in and add color. And I haven't decided if I'm gonna use watercolor, gouache, or possibly even a combination of that and some oil paints, maybe. I don't know. I used oil paints on the Akatsuki bowl, and I learned a lot whenever actually painting that. You can't really make the lines very thin because it makes it messy, I guess. So, I've figured that once I get into painting a cat, I mean, with the wash and a watercolor, I can actually erase it to some extent. The bolder colors are a little bit harder, but the lighter ones are super easy. And I think getting the background is gonna be fairly easy as well. And I still need to kind of come up with a color scheme. I don't know what color I do want to do the cat just yet. I'm leaning towards gray with orange stripes, but I'm trying to figure out if that's going to be too much orange on the piece or yellow. And then I got to figure out what color to do the koi fish. The chrysanthemums are definitely going to be like a goldish orangish yellow. So hopefully in the beginning of 2020 I'll have a new bowl project started. And it's going to be another 3-part video, just like the Akatsuki Rainbow Bowl. And we'll see if that one can turn out as well as the others. I have a ton of bowl blanks in the garage that I need to start turning, and it's gonna keep me busy for a while. So I hope you guys enjoy the videos, and if you ever want to just comment or anything like that, that'd be great. Or subscribe, tell your friends about it, share the video, anything to help out the channel, because I'd like to kind of start moving into doing this full time. Anyway, I hope everybody has a great year, or great new year, and nobody does anything too stupid, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.